What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to connect a phone to a Kia Carnival using the Bluetooth. I'm going to be demonstrating on a 2022 Kia Carnival in this video, but it will end up being the same on a couple different years. And this will vary a little bit depending on your Carnival's options. The Kia Carnival in this video has the full digital dash. So if we grab our phone, I'm demonstrating this on an iPhone, other phones would be similar. You want to go into your phone's settings and then open the Bluetooth and just make sure your Bluetooth is on. Now taking a look at our center screen, if you're not already there, go ahead and click the home button. And then from here, we'll click phone. And then once we're on this screen, we'll click add.
Turn Bluetooth on from your device in order to search. On your device, select the name that matches vehicle name on the screen.
So as you heard the voiceover say there, we're looking for it to say Kia under vehicle name. So if we take a look on our phone under devices, we see Kia right there. Go ahead and click on that. Then we want to make sure that this PIN number here matches the PIN number on our center screen, and it does. So on our phone, we'll click pair. And now we're connected. This is just asking if I want to give it access to my contacts. I'm not going to set any of that up right now. If you have any questions, please let me know.